On a daily basis, I am a problem solver, I'm a meeting planner, I'm an organizer, obstacle remover, and quite often a finder of lost things. I started work at Thompson Tractor in August of 1997, so this is my 29th year here. My job changes on a daily basis, and I guess that's the part I like most about it. What I dealt with yesterday is not necessarily what I tackle today, and it will be completely different from what I face tomorrow. In my time here, I have worked in several areas of the company. I think that gives me a unique perspective. I'm able to kind of step back and see how a lot of the puzzle pieces fit together, and that knowledge really helps me in my job today. I enjoy shopping, especially for shoes. I like to travel with my family. I enjoy spending time with my 23-year-old son, Joshua, and I'm just glad that he still wants to hang out with his old mom. I am grateful every day that I am able to work alongside talented, successful women, and we support each other, and we work for a company who supports us, encourages us, listens to all of our ideas, and pushes us to be better. And for me, that's truly awesome.